Kita na lang tayo dyan sa parking. Ayun gano'n. Are you excited, my love? Wow. You gonna ride octopus? Wow.
Yung itim. Ayun na. Dito na kami sa SeaWorld Sandiego. SeaWorld Sandiego. Ligay mo, Angel, tinan mo, Angel, tinan mo dali, Hindi na masakit tayo.
There's no teeth, it's only the kisses. The kiss your head. The kiss your head. Take it, Angel.
Angel, nilagay mo yan. Sige, hindi masakit. Hindi nga masakit. Ay, ikaw.
Try with kita?
Kaya lang. Kaya lang. Ay. Ayan, Angel, doon ka sasakay ako. Ayan, Lagi ba ka nagpupunta kayo?
This is my first time.
Bago lang. Oo nga, kaya ito pala ang SeaWorld. Kaya pala nagpupunta rito.
Come on.
Lila, stay close, Lila. Come on.
You gotta get up, sweetheart. Come on. Come on.
We're gonna go sit down there and watch them.
Ayun Yan, lalabas na ulit yun, lalabas.
Let's do the job.
Ayun
Oh, you know, baby. We're gonna get closer to them.
Then we're gonna go sit inside. No,
I think that way.
Look, they can walk there. It's closer right there.
that's really wet, Mommy. They're gonna put the tail and go like that.
Ocean, a vast blue expanse, critical to life on Earth. And there's no better animal to represent the story of the ocean with all its splendor and uncertainty than the killer whale, or as it's scientifically known, the Orcinus orca. The orca lives in every corner of the ocean, From the Arctic
Yan na,
to the
Angel. Lalawas tayo na.
to the Indian, to the Northern Pacific and beyond. This whale story is the ocean's story, and it is one we all share.
Oh, Angel.
As you can see, the differences in figures are amazing in comparison to
Ayan na, babasay na tayo. Pumunta ka rito. Ayan na.
the winds black from the Arctic Ocean
Ayan na, Angel, oh. Ayan na.
making it easier to
Just kidding.
When viewed from above, the black of the whale blends in with the dark depths of the ocean. Killer whales are highly social animals with a well-defined social structure.
Yan na, Angel, oh.
An orthopod is always led by a female.
Bumalik na.
Though just half the size of her male counterpart, she is in charge. It's all about attitude, not size. Because they live and work as a group, orcas need to communicate with sounds and body language. Orcas use clicks for echolocation or navigation.
Like all animals, killer whales use body language as a form of communication. For example, a mother may use a pet slap to get her calf's attention.
It's doing what the trainer's telling it to, right? Flashing her. Look at.
But when they really want to be heard, they breathe.
See another one.
Spy hop is how killer whales coordinate and get a better view of their surroundings when they hunt.
Spy hop. Did they say this spy hop?
Oo. Tama yun.
Fluke slaps are also another form of
Tatlo.
killer whales use in the wild, and of course, here at SeaWorld. Let's give a big round of applause here. Alright, higher ground here, and I'm going to have you friends hold a little tight because coming with you, focus the whole action as we are.
Ayan, tuloy mo. Ayan, mabilis yun.
1, 2, 3, absolutely obliterated. Everybody give him a big round of applause. Man, wait, you come to SeaWorld and we didn't get slapped. Now, killer whale. finger does have a purpose. Normally a tailwind.
Bobby! Hindi ako makababa!
Kapit ka, ibaba, mababa ng kanya yan.
Showtime na!
Ite.
Dati! Go, mano!
Ayan, tinasunod na.
Sinasulit! Again!
I'm Dr. Zalofis, and as part of today's agenda, we have a special tour planned. We are going to learn all about the amazing animals here at our center. So, what do you say? You ready to meet our